We understand the challenging economic times, so we've decided to give you tips on how to stay fashionable on a budget. We've enlisted the help of Garmic's Heart Academy graduate Kishan Hawthorne. He'll be teaching us how to stay stylish. So Kishan, what do we have today?
Well, Kerry, today we have 3 amazing looks for the lady on the go. The first one is a corporate lady who has the after work jam. So we're going to trim it up a little bit, right?
Yes.
So lose the jacket, lose the pumps, and just add a statement neck piece. Just enhance the look.
Nice, Kishan, I like the look. But what about the woman who's transitioning from a semi-formal type setting to a family gathering?
Well, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. She just lose the jacket and lose the pumps and just add a simple, nice flat shoes and just put on a nice accessory just to jazz it up a little bit more. To look funky and look flirty at the same time.
I really like that look, especially the cut of the dress. What's that called?
The asymmetric cut, which is the style line of the dress.
Styling. I learned some things today. All right, so you know it's Christmas and we're always having formal events. How do you switch it up from workwear to a formal function?
The lady is wearing an outfit that is suitable for the office wear, but yes, still she can change it from workwear to a formal function. Just lose the jacket, just add a pearl earring, just add a puffy skirt, but yes, still you're going to look well designed for the function.
Kishan, I'm loving all the looks, the flirty look, the semi-formal look, the formal look. I really like it. No, but don't laugh at me. You can't just leave me. What about me, right? You can't leave me high and dry.
Yourself, man. You're on the Kishan. The only thing you just need to do is just spice up your makeup more. And that's it for you.
So Kishan just mentioned makeup. Nicola Johnson is going to be giving us makeup tips to go with the fabulous styles. All right, Nicola, thank you. All right, you saw all the styles, the formal, semi-formal, and so on. How do we change the look from day to evening?
All right, well, Carrie, the first thing we want to do is focus on the eyes and the lips. Once we have the eyes popping with the lips, then we have a complete look for the evening. Being that they're already made up from in the morning, we already have powder on, so we just dab a little powder on, brighten the eyes, brighten the lips. For the first model, with her gold accessory, what I would do is add a little more gold eyeshadow on, being that she already had that on.
Okay.
Pop in a little darkness on the outer corner of the eyes, and add a popping red lipstick to go with that.
Okay.
The second model, which is the flirty look,
Yes.
right, for that she has a pink jacket on. I would go with a more burnt orange lipstick to pop with her hair color along with her jacket, and the eyes are fine.
All right, what about the third look, the formal look?
For her complexion, I would go with a more plum look. She already has a plum liner on, so I would brighten the plum lips with the liner. She don't need to go and buy a lipstick for that, and add some clear gloss. And then for the eyes, she can go more with a smoky look.
Loving the ideas, and hopefully one day I can actually work them in, for myself. We're looking now at the woman on a budget. What are some of the must-have products that she should have in her makeup bag?
Yes, Carrie, everybody we know is on a budget. Definitely. So in our little bag, we want to have a face powder. If we don't wear face powder, then we can use oil blotting sheets, a lip liner, which we can use with some gloss rather than buy a lipstick. We can use an eyeliner to intensify the look, like a black liner, blue liner, whatever choice you choose.
Okay. Oh, simple.
And also, let me comment on the eyeshadows. If we're going to intensify the eyeshadow, we can use our fingertips to put it on. We can use a Q-tip to blend. As you know, we're on a budget, so we don't need to go out and buy an expensive brush. And we can get all these things from the drugstore or pharmacy.
Thank you so much, Nicola. The tips were fabulous. Thank you. All right, so we've moved from clothes to makeup, now accessories. A visit to your local accessory store would yield affordable earrings, necklaces, rings, and the like. But do you want to stand out on a budget? Why not try the extraordinary and made-in-jail brand of accessories? They're one-of-a-kind handcrafted pieces from the women of the Fort Augusta Correctional Center, and they're affordable. Be sure to call to get your set. I hope our little session gave you some ideas on how to be fashionable on a budget. Until next time, happy shopping.